Hello everyone, I'm Yan, and today I will introduce you the 合力 lithium battery reach tracks. The reach tracks combines perfectly the advantages of the counterbalance electric forklift and the stackers. It is one of the most common used model in indoor scenes, such as the hypermarket, warehouse, factory, and the distribution centers. 合力 lithium battery reach track, both sit-on type and stand-up type. The performance has been fully improved with more emphasis on human-machine interaction, energy saving, environmental protection, safety, and efficiency. The whole series tracks are upgraded from the previous mass tube to fork tube. They're equipped with integral side shifter, EPS system, steering auto-centering function, and a full set of LED energy-saving lamps. So saying so much, let's get a close view of this stand-on type 1.8 lithium battery reach track. This model now has 4 tonnage options: 1.5, 1.8, 2, and 2.5 ton. All of them can adopt lithium power. The maximum lifting height can reach 7.4 meters. It adopts mechanical multi-way valve with manual valve stem control, which is simple, practical, economical, and reliable. The stand-on type reach track is more convenient for the requirements of getting on and get off frequently of the track. And we also add some support to make the driver more comfortable during the walk. This is for elbow, and this is for head. This is the lumbar support. And with this handle, the driver will be more stable during the traveling. And here comes to the operation handles. For direction, we use the thumb switch. This is for forward and this is for backward. For all the handling operations, we use the mechanical handles like this. And it is suitable for some user preference. A smaller steering wheel is more flexible and the driver can save labor force. With this machine, driver can stand sideways, so they will have a very wide view through the mast. And finally, I will show you this panoramic mirror. Driver will have a very wide rear view. Safety is always the most important issue for handling work. So on this machine, we also add some intelligent safety technology. Firstly, for each electric forklift, we add the emergency switch. And secondly, we use electronic parking brake here. Only with the release of the switch, we can be allowed to change direction. At last, we add this pedal. Only with pressing this pedal, we will be allowed to do every operation. If we not press this pedal, all the operation will be stopped immediately. And we also have another intelligent technology on this machine. It's very difficult for the driver to find where is the steering wheel. So these two switches, when we press them, the wheel will go back to the original position. After sit-on type, I will introduce you the sitting-on type of the 1.6-ton lithium battery reach track. The model now has 4 tonnage options: 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, and 2 ton. The maximum lifting height can be up to 12.5 meters. 1.6 and 2 ton can also adopt lithium power. This track is equipped with 3-stage 4-free 7.5 meters mast. The use of electromagnetic proportional valve with some switch ensures the precise control and comfortable operation. Similar like the stand-on type, we also make some further improvement and design on ergonomics for sit-on type. So I will show you more special characteristics, especially for this model. Firstly, the low-level entry plate and the rounded column help driver to get on and get off the track more conveniently. And we also use the adjustable seat like this, and the elbow support and the recline side protection to give the driver a safe and comfortable walking experience. And all the operation is based on the thumb switch, reachable and easy to operate. A smaller steering wheel saves the labor force of the driver. And we also have the EPS power system to assist the steering. Besides the wide view design for the mast, the track is equipped a special overhead guard with good visibility. You can find each piece has different angle, and it's more in line with human eyes visual angle. As mentioned, safety is always very important for handling work. For this track, we also use some intelligent safety technology. For standard, this track is equipped with the automatic cornering deceleration system. And secondly, this track is equipped with the automatic parking brake system. If the track is on the ramp, if you stop, the track will be parked automatically. Secondly, the safety pedal is indispensable for every operation. Without pressing the pedal, all the operation and the travel will be stopped automatically. And finally, we can add the LED warning light and the blue light to reduce the risk of accident. So finally, I will introduce you some intelligent function for this track. Firstly, we use the smart display. The display can show many indicators like the travel speed, like the battery indicator, and the position of the tire. And this track is also equipped with the auto centralization system. When we press the 2 switch, the wheel will come to the original position. And this track is standard with 2 modes. We can choose 180 mode or 360 mode, as you wish. And finally, we can add the fog monitoring system. Like this, you can see the position of fogs.
All Heli ridge tracks are equipped with tilting forks. This is a standard option. The tilting forks provides better stability and less loss of load when walking at high positions.
As mentioned, these 2 models are lithium battery models. The lithium battery has many advantages: long life, high efficiency, shorter charging time, and no pollution.
All the above characteristics are more suitable for multi-shift mode of work scenarios. I would like to emphasize the maintenance-free of lithium battery. It is a very competitive advantage. Moreover, the retract battery is very reachable. The lateral movement makes all the battery activities easily. Present Batería lithium battery retract models include stand-up type 1.5 to 2.5 ton, sitting on type 1.6 to 2 ton, and all scissor retract models. We can see that our current retract product line has been quite full. The lifting height is up to 12.5 meters. They can meet various needs of different tonnage, different working conditions, different loading heights, and different application scenarios.
So that's it, our lithium battery retract. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please come to our sales managers. See you.